Hello viewer, in Photoshop we will create the designs, but these designs have a difference of pattern there. So let's generate the further with it. Now make the other one. Here is the more option we have to create with it. So we will use it. That is the option we have made completely different there. So that's it. Thank you for watching.